In this session, we are discussing a very important topic, that is query processing. We know that whenever we write queries, then the query exactly will not get executed. The query will get optimized, keeping different aspects under the consideration, and then the query will get executed. The query processing, which will be done internally, will have basically 3 steps. So look at this particular text. Query processing involves 3 basic steps. The first one is the parsing. That means it will check whether the query is syntactically okay or not. So the parsing will be done, and for this purpose internally parse tree will be produced, and then the translation will be done, and this translation will be done in the equivalent relational algebraic form. We are having other videos where we have discussed what is relational algebra and what are the different operators that are playing their roles in relational algebra. So under the term translation, this particular query will be translated to the relational algebraic form. That means from the SQL statement to the relational algebraic form, and then the query will get optimized. So that is our step number 2. The query will get optimized considering different aspects. We will be discussing that one, and then the evaluation will take place and the query will get executed. So these are the main 3 steps through which a query processing will get executed. So step number 1, so it is parsing and translation. Step number 2, it will go for the optimization, and step number 3, we have discussed that one, that is our evaluation and execution. So now for this particular 3 steps, if I want to draw one flowchart, then the flowchart would look like this. So that means it is the query which we have written in respective SQL statements, and then the parser and the translator will do the needful operation on that particular query written in SQL. Parsing means it will check the syntactically whether the query is okay or not, any kind of grammatical error or syntax error is there or not, and then the translator will convert it to the respective relational algebra expression. So relational algebra expression will be obtained, and then the optimizer will come into the play. So optimization is our second step. So optimizer will come into the play, and this optimizer will get an access over this statistics about data to do the optimization. Statistics about data means the respective data, different information related to that. That means where this particular data is being stored, how much data, how many tuples are going to be handled, and so on. And then the execution plan will be made, and the evaluation engine will take the help of this particular data. It will access this particular data, and then the query output will be obtained. So these particular steps are related with parsing and translation. These particular steps are related with this optimization, and then there is the evaluation and execution of the query to get the required output. In the next video, we will be discussing regarding some examples of this query processing. So that video will be in continuation of this one. Please watch that one also. Thanks for watching this.